President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Dr. Donovan Bennett, is confident the island will be able to deliver on a busy schedule over the next 6 months.
The Jamaica cricket public can brace itself for an action-packed next 6 months of local, regional and international cricket. President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Dr. Donovan Bennett, says the local governing body will be kept busy this summer, preparing teams and hosting matches.
We have some youth teams that we are preparing now. The under-5 teams will go into competition over the Easter holidays. Then we have our senior West Indies competition that is going to start soon after. And then we go into our international season because Jamaica will be hosting 6 internationals this year, 3 T20s and 350 over matches against Sri Lanka, which is unprecedented, right? So we have a very packed calendar in June.
Bennett says the hectic nature of the calendar is brought on by the support of the local cricketing public over the last 24 months.
Last year that if they came out and showed us and gave us the type of support that we could take back to the West Indies board, then we would have had a better chance of getting a protracted international series this year. And this is where we got, so as to maintain the momentum and to put Jamaica in a position where we can attract more games. We hope that the same support we had last year is repeated and that we even do better than what we did last year.
The JACE has spent most of the last 12 months doing repair work on the Sabina Park facility, to include the multi-million-dollar project of installing a new scoreboard and upgrading the lights at the venue. This was in preparation to host the island's first day-night test against Australia and to see the return of Caribbean Premier League cricket. Now with US-based businessman Fawad Sarwar acquiring the Jamaican franchise, Bennett noted that its operation will fully be independent of the JCA.
Well, I don't know what the construct of a team will be like. I mean, that is up to the franchise owners to have all of that sorted out. What our personal responsibility in the matter is to present a good stadium where good cricket can be played and where spectators can come in and feel comfortable and enjoy themselves.
Sarwar currently operates the FKS Group and Kingsmen Sports and Enterprise, which owns a Hyderabad franchise in the Pakistan Super League and the Chicago Kingsmen in minor league cricket in the United States.